Welcome back to AI Simplified, where we break down AI concepts to make them more easy and accessible to all. In the last episode, we saw how companies fine tune AI models to make them more useful for specific tasks. But how does this play out in the real world? Let's look at two real examples. First is Uber. We know that Uber works with thousands of vendors, from restaurants on Uber Eats to insurance companies and advertisers. Each of them sends invoices in different formats, often as PDFs, sometimes in different languages. So, to process these more efficiently, Uber built a system called TextSense. TextSense reads the invoice PDF and uses OCR to extract text. It then identifies key details like date, vendor name, and invoice ID. This data is converted into a clean structured format like JSON that plugs directly into Uber's payment system for automated payouts. If anything's unclear, it gets triggered for manual review, but most invoices now go through automatically. This has resulted in a 50% reduction in manual workload and 75% faster processing time. Now coming to Stanford Medicine. They use LLMs to simplify medical reports for patients. Usually, patient submits test samples and doctor analyze the results. But the final reports are often filled with complex medical terms. Stanford experimented with AI models that generate draft reports in simpler language, which doctors then review before sharing with patients. This helped doctors reduce their cognitive load and made reports much easier for patients to understand. Of course, they know LLMs can hallucinate and make things up. So every AI generated answer comes with citation from the original report, and the final decision still rests with the doctor. Stay tuned for episode 5, where we'll explore how AI has made software developers' lives 10x easier, and follow AccioJob for more such breakdowns.